Hi. It's never quite sure where to board the bus in Tirana, but I got onto a main bus stop at Secondhand Square.
Okay, so you can see here's the other bus stop, and many buses stop here, but this one doesn't, so I did actually get on to the right, boarded at the right bus stop, and so got lucky. It is very confusing, and a few years ago it was actually just the same, and you have it that here you go, here's the bus stop, and this bus goes there, oh, see this guy there, and this bus is there, and you have many locals who are actually going up to the front of the bus and asking something where they're going, or so even the locals don't know partially where the buses are going. So it's all a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, I mean, you do get around well, and everything works. Okay, take a look at this market here. This is really a bit more improvised and wild, but yeah. So this is the result of me having taken the wrong bus. It's near this place where I wanted to go to, but not exactly the right road. So now I have to walk about 10-15 minutes back and a little bit to the right, and then I'll be in the right area. So hang on just a second. So guys, so this is the bus stop where I was actually wanted to get off, and so I missed that. Alright, it was a 10-minute walk, it was nice, and yeah, so this is the place where I want to go to. Is just like a couple minutes from here. Okay, but now I know which bus actually goes here. The other one went parallel, but okay, somewhere else. Alright, so here's this channel or river. I'm not exactly sure which of it is. Alright, so now we're gonna walk along here, and straight ahead is a nice also shopping area where I've stayed before. So yeah, now we can walk along here. It's nice, half city, half leisure place on the right. Okay, so you can see already there's two clothing shops, and this continues somewhere around here. This is just the shop here now and there, but still a kind of small collection of shops, and they have affordable things and sometimes very nice stuff. So it's a bit off the beaten track, but a nice little excursion. Okay, so we're getting close to this purple apartment building, and actually, yeah, we are arriving. That's the good news. The bad news is it's closed. Yeah, it's, I think on some days it's closed. Wait a minute, no, it's open. They used to have stuff outside here on these kind of racks or tables. Now they don't, but it looks like the shop's open, so let's take a look inside.
Well, unfortunately the place was closed after all, but the lady signaled to come back tomorrow or the next days, which I will do for sure. And so now I'm going back and stopping by one or two of the nice places, fashion stores, and going through the stuff they have there.
Okay, new day, new try. So here's the shop, and now the lady's got some stuff outside, although it's more like linen and not clothing. Okay, but let's see. Some really nice things. Maybe I'll try on one or two of these. Nice stuff. Mhm.
So we're coming now to the quiz. So please mark in the comments for the purchases which I got, which we'll see in a second, where these appear in the video. Multiple appearances are possible. All right. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.